Decoding the magic of phrasal verbs. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are an integral part of the English language, and they often leave learners scratching their heads. But fear not. We are here to demystify the structure of phrasal verbs and help you get a handle on using them correctly. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or more words, usually a preposition or an adverb. The resulting combination creates a meaning different from the original verb. For instance, the verb, look, has a different meaning than the phrasal verb, look up. Now let's understand the structure. A phrasal verb typically consists of a main verb followed by an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both. This structure might seem simple, but the tricky part is that the meaning of the phrasal verb often has no relation to the meaning of the individual words. Verb plus adverb. An example is, turn on. In this case, turn is the verb, and on is the adverb. The meaning is to start a device or a machine. Verb plus preposition. An example is, look after. Here, look is the verb, and after is the preposition. This phrasal verb means to take care of someone or something. Verb plus adverb plus preposition. An example is, get on with. Get is the verb, on is the adverb, and with is the preposition. The meaning is to continue doing something, especially work. Phrasal verbs can be transitive, need an object to complete their meaning, or intransitive, do not need an object to complete their meaning. Transitive phrasal verbs, for example, turn off, to stop a device or a machine. We need an object to complete the meaning. For example, please turn off the light. Intransitive phrasal verbs, for example, wake up, to stop sleeping. We don't need an object to complete the meaning. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. We hope this video helped you understand the structure and intricacies of phrasal verbs. As with all aspects of language learning, the key is practice. So keep practicing these phrasal verbs in sentences to get more comfortable with them. Remember, mastering phrasal verbs will take you one step closer to sounding like a native English speaker. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.